That is not a typo. There is only 865,000 miles on this vehicle that has Apple CarPlay. As long as you connect right here to your multimedia port, you could also use Android Auto right there. Just plug it into your Apple, your Android device. Put the vehicle in reverse, and you have a multi-angle backup camera right here. That's super helpful. Look at, see, check it out. There's your bumper. There's your bumper. And there's your bumper. I love this angle because you can see over here. There's also what's called rear cross traffic alert. Put it in reverse, put it in park. Let's turn that down a little bit. It's over 100 degrees outside. There's actually a fire. So glad everybody got safe out that med line. But here we go, your multi-informational display. You can go down to like where your vehicle settings are going to be located at, or you can scroll and go to where most folks like to have their range and fuel, and you just push in your selection. I'm your Tracy Honda insider at tracyhonda.com. Let me just show you a quick couple highlights about this vehicle, super fast. Let you see the shape of it. It's a certified pre-owned vehicle, a manual sunshade, power sliding moonroof. LED lighting makes it fantastic in this vehicle. Dual heated seats again. You got the high speed on the right hand side, the multimedia on the left right there. You saw the backup camera. Platinum white pearl, always looking fantastic, whether it's in the dark. 2025 came out with these smoke taillights. 2026 came out with this blacked out badging. Carrying over from 2025 is also these 60-40 splits. You're also going to get, including in your pricing, Civic all-weather mats with the high walls, help mitigate some spills. You're also going to get the trunk tray here, and then you get your fixed and go flat kit. Vehicle looks great. You got May 2027 registration. That's going to help you out tremendously into the next year there. 18-inch wheels look fantastic. Tint on the windows. You also got wheel locks on every single one of these wheels as well. No odors, no smells, rips, tears, or punctures. This one wasn't even used really. So whenever somebody needs a loaner, this is what we're going to usually do. We're going to put you in a loaner vehicle if there's any available while you're getting your service done or major work done on your vehicle. Blindside information, black side mirrors. So listed at 855 miles, you have until 100,000 miles on that odometer right there, or you have until March 27, 2033 on your 7-year, 100,000 mile powertrain guarantee, as well as these certified pre-owned guarantees. This is also nationwide. Listed at 32,000, but you see how it says link to price in the description? Go to that link to get updated pricing. And everything that you see here comes with the pricing, so you're not going to pay for the all-weather mats or the tint or the wheel locks. There's a look at your 11th generation Civic Sport Hybrid interior, and super nice. 2025 reintroduced the front of this vehicle as well. Look at even this clear bra. Because we're right here in Tracy, we get a lot of these commuters of ours. Our buyers are commuters, and most of them, look at that platinum white pearl paint. Gosh, it looks so nice. The rocks will skip off of this. See, for example, see, it just rubs right off. Love those things. Double honeycomb grille, LED lighting right there, and then lastly, another black side cap. So there's your vehicle. Thank you so much for the time you took to take your research and review. Just ask that if this helps out, if you could like and subscribe, that's tremendous. Check us out, Tracy Honda Insider, on all your social media, and we'll see you in the next video, folks.